Welcome to the SOLIDPLANT 2014 Smart Routing Demo. This is part one of the Smart Routing Demo, and I'll be showing you how to set up your pipeline and initiate the Smart Route function and how to create the route initially. In part two, we will continue the demonstration. If you take a look over in the SOLIDPLANT document list in the Project Manager, we'll scroll down in the Pipe Routing node, and you'll see that we have a pipeline OVL01. And this is the one I'm interested in. This is the pipeline we will be selecting. It has nozzles defined for it. I will click on it now, and we will open up the property tag for it. This shows the data in the database for this pipeline. We have the tag, we have a description, we have a service type. We also have the specification that the pipeline will be using, the main size, and most importantly for the Smart Route feature, the nozzles where the pipeline will be connecting from and going to are already specified. I will come over here to my color section. We've defined a custom color for it, and I will go with a blue. We OK that, and then we simply click apply, and then we'll say OK on the confirmation message. Take a look. Here's our tag number, and you can see from the information in our pop-up where we're headed. So I will zoom in and show you where the pipeline is connected. We'll be going from this nozzle here down to nozzle 1 on this pump, and I come over, and all I have to do is simply right click. This pulls up our menu. We select Smart Route. Now the Smart Route will generate a route for us to choose. Will ask us if we would like to use this route or not. And here you see we have a route generated for us, and we can use it or not accept it. In this case, I will click No because I want to take a look at some other possible routes that will have generated for us. This pulls up our Smart Route interface. Here you have a list of nozzles in the project, so we can change the routing of the nozzle. And at the bottom, more importantly, we can try different routes that the feature has created for us. Just clicking the arrows and go through those. Now some of these will generate an error. This indicates that a section of the pipeline is too short to accommodate the nozzles, the elbows that may be in the specification. We can simply manually edit that by dragging a sketch segment or sketch into point. There you can see I don't have any issues, and my red warning symbol has gone away. I simply click OK on that, and then the Smart Route function will generate our pipeline for us. Automatically, the Add Valve window pops up, and all the components that belong in the pipe route, because the data is in the database. You can see those. We won't be using those in this part of the demo, but here you can see as I zoom in a little bit more, you can see the pipeline that the SOLIDPLANT Smart Route feature has created for us.